Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video I am going to tell you about extended display. This is very extended display. It's work on LED. LED light are embedded in it. This display connect with every type of scale. It's not that type of display just set it up and run it. Our manufacturer set it up with scale. Let me tell you the specification of it. The digit size of it 6 inches. You can see that we measure it is more than 6 inch. We measure the length of it. Its length is 25 inches. You can easily get 7 digit in it. Any indicator like that running at 150 ton will show up on it. Let me show you that. We connect every electronic indicator with it. The model number of this indicator is E1205. You can see that it shows same weight 70 kg here and there. You can also see that as we change the dead weight, the weight is changed automatically here and there. We have not opened it yet. The shopper back is on top of it. If we take it off, it will look even more beautiful. We usually place it on top of the weight bridge so that if a driver wants to see the weight, he can easily see it. We can easily see it from quite a distance because its design very large. Its size is 6 inch as I have already mentioned. Hope friends you like this video very much. If you have any question about it, you can ask us. And if you want to purchase that extended display, you can contact us on the number given below. Allah Hafiz.